Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can change YouTube language on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, what you're going to do is get to the settings of your iPhone and then from here tap on general. So from your general, if you scroll down a bit, you can get the option of language and reason, tap on it, and then you can get the option of add language. Simply tap on that option and then from here you'll have to now select the language that you want to change your YouTube language to. So for example, I want my YouTube to be changed into Japanese language. So I'm going to select it. And in here, you can get two different options, use Japanese or use English US. So if you just want your YouTube to change, you can tap on use English and none of your other settings will be changed into another language. But if you simply tap on use Japanese, all of your phone settings will be turned into Japanese language. So for now, I'm going to tap on use English. So after doing that, here you can see now the language is being updated. And here we have now successfully added that particular language. Now what you're going to do is go back, get to the main settings in here, just like this, main settings. From here, scroll all the way down, then tap on apps. So after doing that, here you have to now search for YouTube. Here you can see YouTube right here, simply tap on it. And then from here, you can now get the option of preferred language. So simply tap on this language option. And here you can see currently it is in English. Tap on Japanese just like this. And now you can go back and then simply open your YouTube application. So after opening YouTube, here you can see we have now successfully changed our language to Japanese. So if I show you here, you can see the homepage has changed into another language. And just like this, you can change YouTube language on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.